Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we have at hand. We're dealing with a Nextflow channel that needs to be transformed. The original channel contains some nested lists that we want to flatten, turning it into a simpler structure. Sounds like a typical problem one might encounter while working with data processing pipelines, right? Now, onto the solution. In the provided code snippet, we see how to tackle this problem effectively. By using the Groovy flatten method, we can flatten the nested lists in our channel, resulting in a cleaner and more streamlined output. The transformation is achieved by mapping over the original channel and applying the flatten operation to each list within it. This approach allows us to maintain the key value structure of the channel while simplifying the nested lists. Moving on to the execution of the solution. Running the code snippet provided gives us the transformed channel with the flattened lists neatly organized under their respective keys. This step demonstrates how the transformation process unfolds and showcases the final result of our efforts. Seeing the flattened list displayed in the console reinforces the effectiveness of the solution we've implemented. Continuing with the solution approach, we explore an alternative method using Nextflow's own flatten operator. By applying this operator directly to the original channel, we can achieve a different output format. The flatten elements are emitted separately, providing a different perspective on the data structure in its contents. This variation in the transformation process highlights the versatility and adaptability of Nextflow's operators to accommodate diverse use cases. Wrapping up our exploration of the solution, we have successfully flattened the nested lists in the original channel using both Groovy's flatten method and Nextflow's flatten operator. These approaches offer distinct insights into the data transformation process and showcase the flexibility of Nextflow in handling complex data structures. With the transformed channels at our disposal, we now have a clearer and more concise representation of the data, ready for further processing. Well, that's a wrap for today. I hope you found this journey through channel transformation in Nextflow both informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips, like if you enjoyed the content, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Remember, flattening nested data structures can be a breeze with the right tools and techniques. Until next time, happy coding!